Okay, someone had a question here for this one, and I thought, yeah, actually, that is a valid point. So the question was, why is the domain not minus 2 to 2? Or perhaps you feel it is. I totally get it. I totally get why you're asking me this question, because if you look at the graph, it does look like it only goes from minus 2 to 2. And my logic was that, well, actually, this could be well, okay, I've exaggerated here a little bit, but my logic is it could be very, very slowly extended out to the right and the left. Because to me, it kind of looks like an x power 4 graph, and that will extend out to minus infinity and plus infinity eventually. That is slightly obscured by the fact that it rises so quickly. You don't see it extended out. It's very steeply climbing, but nonetheless will extend out in both directions. Now, the other reason for me is saying that it extends in both directions is because normally if the graph was limited here to minus 2, conventionally you would draw a dotted line here on the graph to signify that. So my reasoning is, number one, the question says the graph continues. Now, your counter argument might be, well, it only continues upwards, not outwards. Okay. Number two, the graph looks like a polynomial of degree 4. Yeah, I think so. It's not a 4 one. It's not a cubic one. A, B, C, D, E. And 3, there's no broken vertical line to indicate an asymptote, which is what they're called. So for those 3 reasons, I would say the domain is minus infinity to infinity, and the range quite clearly going from 0 to infinity. So that's my logic. You're free to disagree with it. It's not a clear-cut situation. I would agree with you on that. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Totally reasonable question.